June 12, 2025. It was a hot afternoon at Ahmedabad Airport. Air India Flight AI171 was getting ready to fly to London Gatwick. The plane was a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, one of the safest aircraft. 241 passengers and crew were on board. Everything looked normal. At exactly 1:38 p.m. Indian Standard Time, the plane got clearance. It lined up on runway 23 and began full-speed takeoff. The nose lifted, the wheels left the ground. The aircraft was now airborne. Just 33 seconds after takeoff, a serious problem happened. The plane was only 625 feet above the ground. Suddenly, the aircraft stopped climbing. One engine had completely lost power. The pilot declared a mayday, but it was too late. Back at the control tower, all signals from the Dreamliner suddenly disappeared. The radar showed nothing. It was clear the plane had crashed. The Dreamliner crashed straight into the BJ Medical College hostel, just 2 kilometers from the airport. There was a loud explosion, smoke, and fire. More than 270 people died, including students in the hostel. Only one passenger survived. Out of 242 people on board, only one survived. His name: use placeholder or real name if revealed in reports. He was sitting near the emergency exit, wearing his seatbelt. When the plane hit the building, part of the tail section broke off. Somehow he was thrown outside, but alive. Shocked and injured, he walked out through the burning wreckage. A nearby medical student helped pull him to safety. This was the first fatal crash involving a Boeing 787 Dreamliner. For over a decade, the aircraft had a 100% safety record. After this crash, Air India grounded some Dreamliners. The London Gatwick route from Ahmedabad was suspended. This tragedy shook the entire nation. Many passengers were Indian students going to UK. Medical students inside the hostel also lost their lives. Investigators from India, UK, and Boeing began their work. They recovered the black box within hours. Flight data showed engine failure seconds after takeoff. But what caused it? Was it a bird strike, fuel contamination, or a hidden technical fault? If this video helped you understand what really happened, please like, share, and subscribe. We use 3D animation to explain real events simply. Your support helps us make more videos like this.